Kita yung G-string niya. Hindi kita dito eh.
What happened? Can you see? Huh? We meet at last.
Pera, yung currency sa person. So we make sure na yung value na yon is totally wala na dito sa central bank or sa bangko. Na parang ikaw, it's up to you if you want to, you know, to share yung perspective na yun o hindi. Diba? Ayan nga, especially dun sa mga West.
I see you.
Agad na solution for the case, no? So yung solution na to, pwede pa tong mag-evolve at magkaroon ng detalye, 'di ba? Details. So parang
Tommy God.
download mo lang sa account ni GA? Yeah, sa account ni GA. Alam mo naman yung TJ na, so PM na lang kung kailangan. Punta din daw kami ng Macau second day. Ayun lang, no? Pag nanalo yan, sir, ibig sabihin lang nun, dissolve na rin yung credibility, no, ng mga nagbibigay ng award. Diba? Kasi isipin,
Reloading can be so thrilling in the middle of a battle.
We'll rendezvous with you there.
Roger.
What about the sentries?
I managed to get past them.
I see.
What about the boss?
We lost contact with the boss some time ago.
You're all talk, huh?
dun sa mga website na pinupuntahan natin. So may mga login, pwede ka na mag post ng comment, no, regarding sa article. So yun yung web 2. Naging it ka na ikaw talaga yung nagmamay-ari ng game na to. Hence, you can play this. So kapag down yung server, 'di ba? Ano pa kung pag totally nawala?
Yeah.
Hindi shortage. Basta yun, nag-down yung PSN. 'Di ba? So lahat, syempre, maktol, walang online game, tapos
Where'd you get something like this?
I grabbed it from a Western munitions armory. It probably used to belong to one of your officers.
What's going on? Respond. There's something wrong. Support unit, confirm their status.
Jaro knows the West better than anyone. He may be able to help. He can be intimidating to others, but don't let that deceive you. He is a man.
Maybe.
Your choice.
Oh, good afternoon, Jerome.
The Soviet Union agreed to remove its missiles from Cuba, and so the world avoided a nuclear holocaust. But in order to get the Soviets to pull their missiles out, we had to make a...
What a fear in my heart, but you're so supreme.
Yun, bigla naging 7. Ano na? Diba? Ano na? Nasaan ang credibility doon? Alam na. Diba? Kaya yung mga ganong giorno, X agad. Keyboard warrior yan si Jutim eh. Oh. Start na ng Happy Meal daw. McDo, Mario Kart. Ay, seryoso? Shock. Feeling ko marami na namang... na umaalis na sila, nawawala na sila, and then yung mga millennials na yung parang naluluklok natin into the power. Now, which is something na parang vibe natin, no, in terms of what sabihin nito, lahat to shared across all of us. So, magiging invalid yung kunyari, gumawa ka ng transaction, mag-add ka ng another transaction dito. Person 5.
He's seen my face. We can't let him live.
Klimang Pilipinas din dun eh. Mas na-enjoy ko yung red light district doon. Alam mo sir, grabe ka sa red light, no? Alam mo, nung time na yun kasi
Snake, we can't risk a halo jump this time around. Airspace security has gotten tighter since we were last here. We can't get as close to the ground as we did during the Virtuous mission.
Daming manik na nagpapanggap na multo.
So, syempre, the first thing na pupuntahan ko, Tokyo. No? So, syempre, Tokyo, ano yon, yung unang trip mo, Tokyo. So, that's it. Diba? Balik ka na ng Pilipinas. So, next time na babalik ka,
That the strength to stand alone. There's the strength to make a stand.
Ngayon sasabihin ko na itataya ko na ang itlog ko. Ay, grabe siya. Ano ka? Si Ukarun. Tataya mo itlog mo. I mean yung internet facility, no? I mean, that's the thing, no? Kumbaga lahat tayo dito is merong responsibility na kailangan gawin para maging revenue na nage-generate sa mga ganito. 'Di ba? So medyo mahirap siyang paliwanag, especially sa board ng company, kung ano yung viability ng
Who's that? What the?
sila. So, paano pa malalaro yung game? Kasi nagre-require ng internet. Diba? Yun yung keyword din. Nagre-require ng internet. Yung mga modern consoles ngayon, nagre-require na ng internet for you to, diba? Libot mo na yung buong Hong Kong dyan. Punta ka ng Macau. Diba? Dumiretso ka na ng Macau niyan. Diba? Para makatikim ka ng lutong Macau. Diba? Para masubukan mo lang.
Banged up, but breathing. And waiting up ahead for you.
But I was supposed to have 3 escorts.
Terms of parang digital ownership, and then kung bakit very siya sa currency, no? Very applicable. Kasi ang ginagawa nito is that
HQ. She has spunk.
Weapon from the backpack. Your available weapons will be displayed in a window.
Hindi ko na kailangan yung tutorial mo. Skip ko na lang itong mga tutorial, guys.
Last chance. Sokolov must have known that too when he contacted us.
Pretty sure I'm close. I'm going to clear out the bristlebacks. And when I'm done, this valley is going to get moving.
If that's what it takes. Until then, I'll keep looking after the safety of these good folk.
Mercury. Alam mo, grabe kayo sa akin, no? Ba't naging Freddie Mercury na ako bigla, no? Kala ko sasabihin mo, sir, nandito na si Kiko Miranda. Ayan.
Bago ang lahat. Kalaban niya yata. May item. Yun.
Deal? You mean your concession decree?
It's not mine. It's on me. Who do all we're at for a land worked by the people.
Right. And just how much would be your share?
Only an
intermediate-range ballistic missiles in Cuba. The president demanded that the Soviets dismantle and remove the missiles. At the same time, he announced a naval blockade to prevent further missile shipment.
Tell me I'm not.
Yun o. Nakasabit.
As much a hunter-gatherer as your clothing suggests.
Thanks, Mildef. I'll keep an eye out.
So that's what gratitude sounds like.
And don't let anyone push you around, okay?
Well done. But
Nothing, while demanding that good Oseram gamble with their lives out there. Someone had to step up and say no more.
you know. Ang creepy ng game mo, sir, nakakapanginig balahin. Kaya nga yun. Enjoy naman. Since Halloween yan, ito.
Sokolov, isn't he that famous rocket scientist?
The very same. On April the 12th, 1961, the Soviets achieved the first manned spaceflight in history.
Yan, mga ganyan, di ba? Alam na, propaganda, di ba? Nod lang daw ng intro FMB, ginudge na daw agad. Ah! Agad na solution for the case, no? So yung solution na to, pwede pa tong mag-evolve at magkaroon ng detalye, 'di ba? Details. So parang hindi na sa Tokyo, Osaka naman. Oh, lahat ng city pupuntahan natin, 'di ba? Oh, after ng Osaka, tsaka yung mga nearby prefecture, punta ka naman bandang south, no? Mga tipong Nagasaki. Ginawa niya, 'di ba? So, hindi open book siya sa atin, no? Pero pagdating sa blockchain, yung buong ledger na 'yon, no, ng lahat ng transaction, no? Pala rin din yan kumbaga parang consultant company din niya ng BioWare. Yes? Ang problema natin, Claudie. Wait lang This is a video game collection. Ang pinaka problema dyan is parang ang video games kasi is ginagawang commodity.
Pretty sure I'm close.
What's this about?
Thanks to the Savior, the sun has shown the truth on the Bristleback incursion. Tanakh rebels were keeping pens of machines.
I see you!
Just relax and it'll all be over before you know it. Stay with me. I've seen people in worse shape before. Think you can...
Okay. Iwasin mo na ako, guys.
See, they're shit. Diba? Walang ganun. Walang legacy bulok. Grabe sir. Sa drag age. Preservation natin is because of these few factors din. Unang-una, yung copyright owner, syempre sila yung parang merong ito nga TJ no? Kasi doon sa company namin, meron kami health and wellness, no? Pero medyo meron siyang rule.
Huh?
What's going on? Respond.
Guys are still... They're still down there. I can't stop.
You've done enough.
very applicable no? Yung mga leaders, no, nag-rise up from the millennials, no, from boomer, no, which is some
Yan. Oh, bilis. Kasi diba si Miko na lang yung ano? Si Miko na lang yung natira dun sa ano? Dun sa dalawang kambal.
Wala na yung diaper niya. Hey, wait lang. Wait lang ha. Ni Papa, wait lang.
What can I say?
Diba? Of reviews. Oh, ngayon kung ano sabihin ng IGN, kung ano sabihin ng ignorance, papaniwalaan nila. Kailangan laging well-maintained and tabi sila, no, and easily accessible para sa mga tao, no. So malaking undertaking siya, and kung walang monetary benefit,
The laws of the Sundom Ulvund, all for a few extra shards.
And that's not the only mine you've been squeezing. Corvin's crew would have drowned.
Pretty sure I'm close.
Ah! Look at that thing drop!
Another one down.